Good night. Would you look at that? I'm not the only one that uses an old dinosaur for work. That man is still working this old truck. I hope you don't mind me making a video of your old truck. I got one just like it that I still use to haul cars with. What year is it? What year is it? Still got the old 216 engine in it? What motor does it have in it?
Straight six.
How long have you had it? How long have you had this old truck?
50 years.
50 years? Did you get it new?
No, it was used by a little bit.
It was used by a little bit.
49 and they wanted 50.
That's fantastic. I still work out of one of these old things. Have a good day.